So anyways, initial value is always this term here. So 250 is our initial value, okay? This is always, the 40 is the final value. Now on this one, the initial value is 40. So it's always the term before the parentheses. That's the initial value, that's the initial condition. Growth depends on this number here. If it's less than 1, it's decay. Over here, it's greater than 1, so it's growth. What do you think happens if it's 1? It doesn't have growth or decay. Now, the interesting thing about this, if I take 1.00, in order to get 0.89, I have to subtract 0.11. Now, 0.11 as a decimal is 11%. I'm sorry, we're given the decimal, but because 0.11 is 11 hundredths, and 11% is the same as 11 over 100. Now over here, this one's a little easier. I start with 1. Something's got to go here, and it's got to add up to 1.11. So again, in order to do that, I've got to add 0.11, which is the same as 11%.